If you don't have contacts list on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 or the contacts list is incomplete, in order to fix this, you can go to the phone app. Now over here in the phone app, of course, we want to make sure that we have the contacts option selected. And here, the first thing that you can do is you can check if you have view all contacts button at the top. So of course you want to tap on it to switch to the full list of contacts. You can also similarly open the full list of contacts by tapping on these three dots, and then you can choose view by storage location. And over here you can make sure that the whole contact list is selected. So this should include all your accounts like Samsung or Google accounts, and also your SIM card, for example. But besides that, in case you don't have SIM contacts on in here on this list, then once you tap on these three dots, you can go to contact settings, and then here you can import contacts you want to import from your SIM. You can of course select every contact that you want to import, and then you can choose where you want to import to, and you can either choose your phone or Google account or Samsung account and so on. And then just confirm that you want to import, and hopefully after that you can see all your contacts. Leave a like and subscribe.